लेफ्ट साइड ना चालू किया नहीं दिस साइड क्या कर रहा है पीछे भी है आराम से तोड़ दोगे कितना इसको भी लेके जाओ इसको भी लेके जाओ मैम जी
राइट प्लीज राइट राइट
तारा अलीशा
पकड़नी है चलो भाई जस्ट रेडी अप
तो मैडम मैम राइट राइट अरे पीछे से हटो जरा राइट ये त्याला बाज जी राइट में जी सामने जी
ध्यान होता माझा काम
Center ma'am.
Once more.
ये थोड़ा मांगे मित्र आ रहा है
ये कैमरा ऑन नहीं हो रहा
इधर खड़ा कर दे ये देसाई का है पहले मिट्टी
इधर आपण
अरे मागे अरे सगळ्यांनी मागे अरे
और पीछे ना
दोनों तुम्ही पुढे पहिला मी तुमच्या मागे अरे मागे अरे मागे हे आपलं
भाई आ जाओ कैमरा जस्ट वेट
सेक्रेटरी आप लोग
सोनल यहाँ पे सोनल
प्लीज कम डाउन अरे आप सेक्रेटरी जी आप आ जाइए
सोनल अरे दोनों भी नहीं
वो पार्टी है सुनिए सुनिए थोड़ा ये ग्लास आ रहा है अरे लेटर कम नहीं नहीं अरे नहीं कवर हो रहा है
अरे यार
वन सेकंड हाँ यही पर है चलो पीछे चलो हाँ वही पे काय मिळतं
इस साइड ये पार्टी में राइट पार्टी आता ना
एक्सक्यूज मी हेलो
अरे रुको यार दो बैच पे जो मार रहे हो बात के लिए राइट
Ma'am, your left side. Now your left side. Come on, your left side.
both right सुबह राइट हो गया इसका
Go on your left side.
चलो रेडी आजा चलो आजा चलो घूम लेके आओ घूम रेडी चले आजा अरे यार
चलो चलो Anybody's asking.
लुक सेम थे प्लीज
हाँ हाँ पूछो तो सही।
या चलो
Rolling.
कितने लोग हैं
तू बीच में
रेडी
इधर इधर
जिसको पूछो नाम लेके पूछो
So, आप दोनों सेंटर में देखिए तो अच्छा होगा।
रोलिंग सबसे पहले तो कशिश सिमोना कलेक्शन से फील टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ दिस इवेंट एंड टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ दिस opening.
I love coming to beautiful stores and seeing and trying on beautiful clothes. So I was very, very happy and I'm very excited. I want to congratulate Shimona. It's a beautiful collection. I'm wearing my favorite color, which is pink, of course. I think Sonal looks stunning as well. And we've just had a lovely tour of the upstairs store. The store itself, the designing is so beautiful, whoever's done the interiors. And I know that Shimona Di, of course, does jewelry as well as clothes. It's really affordable. It's just opened in South Mumbai, so she's new from Bengal. So we're very excited to welcome her to Mumbai.
What about you?
Well, I feel beautiful. Like Soha said, that all girls love to play dress up, and we love dressing up. And when there are outfits and the clothes like what Simona has designed, it just adds to it. And I've had a very good time. I feel really beautiful, and for me that's very important. Whenever I'm wearing an outfit, it's very important for me to feel beautiful and feel good about myself, and I think that's what her designs do. So I'm really thankful that we have this whole essence of Calcutta here, and I think she's doing a beautiful job. Yeah, and I think I'll be a very frequent visitor here, and I'll be wearing a lot of her designs.
I hope so, yeah.
If we talk about your personal style statement, what it is all about. So our first review.
Well, I think it's important to dress according to the occasion. तो अगर आपको शादी के लिए जाना हो तो then I like to wear lehengas, I like saris. I have a lot of Indian formal outfits in my wardrobe. What I like about Shimona Di's collection also is that it ranges from wearable, smart casual, something that you would wear to a sangeet or to a dinner, and then all the way, of course, to bridal couture stuff. So it's a broad range to please everyone.
What about you?
Well, my style also, like Soha said, that it really depends on the occasion. And what I like about Shimona's collection is that it's very rich, and it looks beautiful, but at the same time it's very, very affordable. And there's a wide range, and the fabrics that she uses are all very, very pure. So I think it's really pure value for money, and I think everyone's happy. We're looking beautiful and we can afford it. So it's
और कुनाल को लेकर आएंगी या शॉपिंग करा?
नहीं, मैं शॉपिंग जब भी करती हूँ तो अकेले आती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं बहुत टाइम लगाती हूँ और वो बहुत इम्पेशेंट हो जाते हैं, तो इट्स बेस्ट टू शॉप अलोन.
अगर हम ड्रेसअप की बात करें, आज आपने क्या पहना है?
आज मैंने एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत लहंगा पहना है. जैसे मैंने कहा, ये मेरा सबसे पसंदीदा रंग है, विच इज़ पिंक, और एक बहुत ही लाइट नेट का दुपट्टा है. दिस फैब्रिक आई थिंक Shimona Di will tell us more about. So it's pure silk. All her work is whether it's pure georgette, it's pure silk, raw silk, which are again fabrics that I love. So there's a lot of that. There's some beautiful Lucknowi chicken work also upstairs, but this is just a beautiful pink lehenga.
If you talk about Sonal, then you also tell a little about the dress. Well, I can only talk about the colors and the way I feel.
It's a pure velvet.
Sorry, I can only So my lehenga, which is the lower part of the outfit,
It's a 9,000 count.
It's a really heavy one, but I think it's really beautiful. It's pure velvet with some beautiful work on it, and I think the gold against the blue looks really, really nice. So she's done a great job, and I'm enjoying it. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much.